Chris here from Midwest Coaster Fans, bringing you another Orion update. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button for future content from our channel. And let's go ahead and get into this new update on Friday, the 13th, 2019. As you can see from this live feed, there is a lot of work being done around the station area. The maintenance and transfer track area and the main station are still being built. You have the main track that's already been installed in place. You saw that on our update on Tuesday. And now they have a track turn. If you look over there very closely on the left side of the transfer track and maintenance area, you'll see a blown up image here in a minute of that. And there is a lot of stuff going on site, but they're primarily focusing on that area. They're probably trying to get the station maintenance area and transfer track area and the turn ready so they could go ahead and focus on the initial lift hill and then the brake run as well. And then that'll all go together. I'm not sure on the exact piece together that they're going to try to do with this, but I do know for sure that they are making a lot of progress on that. I do foresee the lift hill starting to go up, if not next week, definitely the beginning of the week after. They're making great progress, and the weather's really nice, so they should be able to get a lot done at this current time. I don't foresee them having any delays unless the weather goes south, but right now with the abnormally warm weather that we're having here in the Midwest, that's allowing for them to do a lot of work. It's been mainly sunny skies, a couple showers here and there, but mainly it's been great weather. Also, it's opening weekend over at Cedar Point for Hollow Weekend, so definitely check that out if you haven't yet. And then this is just a still image of what's going on and currently going on the map. You can see they're only doing work around the station area, and that's about it. And here in a second, we're going to go into the zoomed in image. You'll see the last part of the turnaround, and I pointed it out so you can see the turn. They are focusing on, after that brake run, the turn that leads back into the station. They got that piece of track actually down on there. And this is all from the live webcam that Kings Island gives us and presents to us. So that's definitely nice for them to give the fans something like that as well. I hope you enjoyed the update here on Friday the 13th, 2019. If you're making your way out to the parks, hope to see you guys there. We're going to be at different parks, and we'll bring updates. We're going to be at Cedar Point next Saturday, filming a lot of content. Please subscribe to our page, and until next time, this is Chris signing off for Midwest Coaster Fans.